Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Medical Oxygen Concentrator, updated. Start by reading the user manual and confirming the prescribed flow rate and power requirements. Plug the concentrator into a grounded outlet and ensure batteries are charged for portable models. Turn the unit on and allow it to run for a few minutes before putting on the cannula. Monitor alarms and oxygen purity indicators and adjust settings only as instructed by your clinician. Positioning matters for safe operation and reliable oxygen delivery. Keep the concentrator at least 3 feet from walls and never near heaters or open flames to avoid overheating. Use a dedicated grounded outlet and avoid extension cords unless manufacturer allows them. Attach the tubing securely and route it to prevent tripping or pulling the device. Check filters and vents weekly and replace or clean parts according to the manual to maintain performance. Daily habits extend the life of your oxygen concentrator and keep you safe. Clean cannulas and nasal prongs regularly, wash reusable filters as instructed, and replace disposable items on schedule. Note any alarm sounds immediately and consult the manual or supplier rather than guessing. Keep a backup oxygen source or cylinder plan for power outages, and arrange professional servicing if oxygen purity or flow seems inconsistent to ensure continuous, effective therapy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.